Hi. SOC, a Security Operating Center, is the facility where an organization monitors and detects, analyzes, and responds to the security posture an organization has in terms of their various processes, their various systems they have in the organization. As per SANS, the three key tenets for Security Operating Center are people, process, and system. People include the approach, the training, the certification, the knowledge, as well as the vendor-specific skills and knowledge which the people involved have. The process includes the preparation, the analysis, the recovery, identification, then the containment, the learnings, as well as the knowledge transfer, as well as knowledge retention. System includes the endpoint security, the network security, forensics, the network flow, incident detection and management, etc. All this together brings in the visibility, analysis and action for the organization. A typical SOC would have 24/7 facility automation process providing data aggregation, data analysis, data dashboards and periodic report for the organization. It also has different forms of incident alerts for organization. It can be through emails, it can be through a telephone call, it can be an automated alert that goes into via an SMS to a group of people from the organization side who are affected, or a group of people who are supposed to be doing incident response. This is how a typical SOC will look like. Going forward, we have further segregation of this landscape into two elements, the internal element and the external element. The internal element is the insider threat, which can be monitored through identity and access management integration to the SOC, which can be managed through the privileged access management or the PAM monitoring, through the Active Directory monitoring. The external threat can be looked at from the point of view of the networks, the firewalls, the endpoint security, email security, the web security, the IPSs and advanced threat management organization have. Beyond that, there is another layer of external threat which is linked to the organizational employees and the ecosystem which is outside the organization. This can be the people, social engineering threat, which can be eventually a threat to the organization. This can be the threat in the industrial or the industrial ecosystem in which the organization plays in. This can be trends which are happening in the organization. This can be threats from the deep dark web which are originating, which organization needs to be prepared for. And these typically involve specialized advanced threat analysis, advanced threat protection, threat intelligence tools, which has to be further integrated. Traditionally, we have been using SIEM, but SIEM alone cannot be the sole protector or a resource for a SOC. A good SOC would have a combination of SIEM, advanced threat protection, different kind of advanced threat analysis, which are analyzing the external threat, which are analyzing the zero-day attacks, the attacks which are not verified by the current set of security elements or the products the organization has. And then it also has to have various categories in terms of looking at the web, looking at the industrial security threat that organization might be exposed to, as well as different elements from social engineering to content security, etc. So it has a combination of all this. Another element which comes in now with the emergence of IoT and robotics, etc., is protection of industrial asset and physical assets. A lot of data is getting also generated with the IoT and industrial assets, the operational technology and physical assets. Those two need to be protected. The organization is as vulnerable through these assets as it is through IT. So a typical good SOC looking forward will be a combination of protection of IT assets and OT assets, a protection of IT asset from the insider threat and outsider threat. And when we look at outsider threat, it further segregates the outsider threat to the threat from the organization's own ecosystem and threat from social engineering and other elements which are going to affect the organization outside its ecosystem when an employee goes outside the organization and is connected to the social media and the other threats which are to do with the industry. SOC is a good investment for security for organization, but it has to be looking forward. That would mean you should be looking at an investment which will be good enough for you, taking into security consideration of next 5 to 10 years. Thank you.